In this video, I want to actually define division. Here are 3 different ways we can denote the same thing, A divided by B. But exactly what does this mean? As an example, let's consider 15 divided by 3 is equal to what? Well, we can think of this as what times 3 is equal to 15, or we can think of it as 3 times what is 15. So these are the 2 different ways to think about this multiplication. The first is the how many groups interpretation. We don't know the number of groups, but we know that there are 3 in each group, and we have a total of 15. This is also known as measurement division. The second looks at how many are in each group. We know we have 3 groups. We know we have 15 total. How many can go in each group? This is also known as partitive division. So let's look at each one of these individually. Let's start with the measurement division. How many groups do we have? There are 15 cookies. Each child gets 3 cookies. How many children are there? So we don't know how many groups we have, but we know that each group gets 3, and there's 15 total. So each child gets 3 cookies. We know we have 15 total, so we can arrange these in rows that contain 3 to see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. The other version, A divided by B, is equivalent to B times what equal to A, where we want to know how many items are in each group. Now we know there are 15 cookies equally distributed to 3 children. How many does each child get? So we know there are 3 groups. We don't know how many per group. And we know that we need a total of 15. For this one, I can think of this array that I know has 3 columns for my 3 groups. In this case, we know we have 3 columns. We know we have 15 things that need to be evenly distributed between these 3 columns. So we build out 3 columns and we can see that there are a total of 5 rows, so the solution would be 5.